Second gate yata. Wala pa nakikita ang tag.
Yeah.
They also have healing eh.
I can see it here.
Hindi, may hodge. May hodge.
Bonk fast guys. Let it call bonk. Ready on the gate 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. And bonk. They have cycle guys. Bonking. Careful, ready they have cycle Don't go in. Not yet. Let me pull back. Yeah, let me pull. You ready on the gate na? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. Slowly walk in. Tanks only. Tanks party to walk in. Take space now. Tanks party to only, bro. See? Nice. Well, everybody walk in now. Come.
You can see I marked 2 guys on the northwest. That's the bomb squad, which were...
Hold the southeast stairs.
Or maybe that's the main squad, I don't know.
Southeast stairs and spread, okay? Southeast stairs and east wall, okay? Don't pick that wall, okay? Hammer pass. Yeah, them cycle daw, Them cycle daw, okay? Yo, looking na. Defend it. Let's make One more.
Don't stay on the
Deep,
wall.
Giga, headbutt 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, headbutt now. And hammer.
You don't stay on this wall. The hot
Dem cycle now.
Back out.
Careful. Ready def. Defend it.
Ready ah?
Come inside. CC them. Yo, look shallow me now. 5. On the gate 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Hit the gate. Nice. Come back now. And hammer. Clerical hammer pass. Ready. Careful over the wall. Yo, nice GA. They still have engaged. Hammer. Heal me. Hammer. Fit. Hammer. Guys, more hammers please. Yo, they have cycle now.
Kill the front.
Yo, they have cycle now. Careful over the wall, I'm telling you Careful, defend it. They have one more. You ready headbutt 5. Wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. How you guys die?
Help me!
Come back.
Help me!
Yo, Yo, step up, CD check.
Ready?
Ready.
On the gate 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. What the fuck is happening? Come southeast ka. Stabilize nga on me. Come to me. Dev City, heal my front. Kill Crampton. What's happening, bro? What the fuck? How you guys die in that one engagement? Huh?
Barrel.
No, it's not barrel. It's not barrel. It was the headbutt.
Party 2 hammer the suicide choke. Go. Ready, defend. Come to me. Stay. Come back. Just hammer the suicide choke. Defensives ready and they're looking at you at suicide Party 2. Party 1, come to me. Look, wait. Party 1 on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1 on me. Hit it. Party 2 keep hammering. Percent. 50%.
Need heals in front.
Okay. Hold lang. Guys, careful, they're looking na. Defend it.
Oh, fuck.
Party 1 step up. On me. Shallow 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Hey, come back now. Come back fast. Left cycle
Take card.
Come back fast.
Suicide broken 1.
Left cycle. Stay away from that hodge. Party 2 keep hammering the second gate. No, they have hodge. They're looking now. Keep hammering party 2. Party 1, come to me. Careful, hold Party 2, careful Party 1, stay here. You already defended it. Nice, step up now, step up. Yo, look shallow me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow me now. Nice, come back. Party 2 keep hammering let me know. Come back. Damn cycle, careful. Damn cycle, stay away from the wall. Nice, step up.
5 seconds.
Yeah, I know. Step up. Just keep hammering let me know. Oh, damn cycle now, come back, damn cycle. Come back. Help my front line. Yo, looking he's looking Careful. QW the elites. Gate percent.
40.
Oh,
Dalawa lang kami.
one more tank, please hammer that gate Yo, careful looking. No, fake. Come back more, guys, come back more. Stay away from that wall, please. Shalan, careful, bro. Sige. Careful, just keep hammering no problem. Careful over the wall, more, CC, defensive. Bro, man. Come to me. Come inside second floor. Come. Guys, please use your brain, man. Yeah, everybody come fast, bro. They have cycle. Come fast. Come to me. Just come middle. Where are they going? They going out or what?
They were chasing after you. Stop them.
Kill
They're behind suicide now.
GA coming in map in 2 minutes.
Come. Pull the guard. Yo, careful, they look QW, don't drop me, QW.
Getting it on the side.
Yeah, I know. Just wait, bro. I will just stay there. I'm pulling the elites. Stay there. Look, come west side. West side, and QW. Okay? Careful looking Not too deep, guys, not too deep. Looking. Defend. Yo, shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow now. Just come back. Go north, damn cycle, go north fast, go north room fast. North room fast, damn cycle. Stay away, they looking Is Lord na ba? Kasi Lord na ba?
Diba?
Not yet, okay.
Wala pa.
Yeah. Yo, careful, defend. Everybody, walking. Come. You look, come on the carpet lang, on me. 5, 4, 3, wala bang
You have to look at the west. They're gonna hit on the west.
Come back.
They have cooldowns already.
Come back fast, damn cycle, come back.
Okay, now pull back.
Insulted, drop ako. Defend. Come middle, we need to pull the guard.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I'm pulling the guard, just stay there. Wait lang, let me pull nga. Right home, can you pull it in the middle? Right home, can you pull it to me? Ready on me, 5. This QW, this elite. Putang ina kasi. So chaotic, man. Come back.
I have cooldowns on the west. They're hitting on the west.
Defend Crampton. Yeah, Crampton dahil.
Silto.
Ito nga sa gitna.
Yeah.
You on me, on the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. Just hit on me. Finally.
Go back now. Pull back.
Lord room na. Defend. Lord room. Kill front line. Gago, healer. Come Lord room. Lord room. QW lang, 3W. Silina, Bulanjuni, come back. Careful, west side
Just stack west. West looking.
Come back, Lord. QW the Lord. Come back. Kill the Lord. It's almost dead. Help my front line, bro. Yeah, Hodge looking careful over the wall. Looking defend. Go CC them. Come southeast. CC them. Everyone walk in. Use your brain. Walk in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wipe it.
Ayun.
Fuck.
Kill alert.
Silence. Too many fucking silence. Where's the lock?
How did that not kill?
Stun, cap the castle, cap the
Nice.
castle. Ready to push. Looking ah. Looking ah. No, that's fake. You can go west side, bro. Like, come south, come. CC them. Don't let them leave ah. Cap the castle, capture the castle, leave, defend.
Defend! Oh my god.
Ay, ako.
Why not boots there?
Come south.
Yo, they have another engage already.
Careful.
Watch west, there's a hill over the wall.
Click. Ready, careful them. Click, CC them. Can you CC them?
Rubber band
Okay,
shit.
come back.
Defend!
Come Lord Room. Oh, open the chest, bro. Mount up. Enough, bro. Enough. This donation drive, bro. I don't know, man, what's happening? Is it my calling?
It's just your